This is the introduction to my book. My book on Amazon, The Secret Statistical Formula for Winning the Powerball Lottery. It actually is a book about finding the chances of winning the Powerball Lottery using a formula. Here's the back, the front of the book. Here's the back of the book. And it sells on Amazon as a paperback and as an ebook. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the book, and hopefully be interested in potentially reading further. What it says in the first part of the book is what I'm going to calculate in this book. In this book, I'm going to show you the probability of winning with the Powerball number correctly chosen and all 5 winning numbers. I'll also have the chance with 4 out of 5 winning numbers, 3 out of 5 winning numbers, 2 out of 5 winning numbers, 1 out of 5 winning numbers, and 0 out of 5 winning numbers, plus the Powerball number. I will also show the chances of winning by matching 3, 4, or 5 numbers without the Powerball number. These are all the ways in which you can win some money in the Powerball lottery. So let's get started with probability. Probability of A, the probability to win the lottery is probably to get G numbers from 1 to 69 times the probability the Powerball number is chosen. In the Powerball lottery, you choose 5 numbers from 1 to 69 and 1 Powerball number from 1 to 26. And if you match all 5 of those numbers plus the Powerball number, you win the jackpot. Okay, here's the formula. Hypergeometric equation. G choose G times B choose B over T choose T. G choose G. This formula is basically what's the probability you get the good numbers and the bad numbers. G stands for good numbers, B stands for bad numbers, and T stands for total numbers, times the probability the Powerball number is chosen. So G is the good numbers possible to choose from. Little g is the good numbers chosen. Big B is the bad numbers possible to choose from. Little b is the bad numbers chosen. Capital T is the total numbers possible to choose from. And little t is the total numbers chosen, where good numbers possible plus bad numbers possible equals total numbers possible. And good numbers chosen plus bad numbers chosen equals total chosen. Our formula G choose G is the way of choosing little g things out of capital G things. The number way of choosing the good numbers out of the good possible is G factorial over little g factorial times big G minus little g factorial. Big G factorial is the number of ways of ordering G things. So G choose G is the number way of choosing G things out of little g things. So 0 factorial, what is that? That's 1. How many ways are there of ordering 0 things? By default, we say there's just one way, 0 things. 1 factorial is 1. There's one way to order one thing. If you have the letter A, it's just A. If you have 2 things, A and B, how many ways can you order 2 things? Well, you have 2 ways, A and B or B and A. So 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2. 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. There's 6 ways of ordering 3 things. If you have 3 things, A, B, and C, imagine apple, banana, and carrot. 3 objects. And you can order them as apple, banana, carrot, apple, carrot, banana, banana, apple, carrot, banana, carrot, apple, banana, and carrot, banana, apple. That's 6 ways. So 3 factorial is 6. In general, the same logic applies as you get larger and larger numbers. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. So G factorial is G times G minus 1 times G minus 2 all the way to 1. And the numbers just get larger and larger. They start to explode as the more numbers you have. The possibility just becomes very large. So we're going to skip over the probability of winning with 5 out of 5 numbers to the probability of winning with 4 out of 5 numbers. I'll leave the 5 out of 5 numbers if you decide to buy the book, and you can see that example there. And this book has about 8 examples of all the winning scenarios and the statistics behind them, the chances of winning. So probably winning with 4 out of 5 numbers plus the Powerball number. The probability you choose the correct Powerball number from 1 to 26 is 1 out of 26. It's just like you roll a 6-sided die. The chance you roll a 1 is 1 out of 6. The chance you roll a 2 is 1 out of 6, etc. So the chance you get a number from 1 to 26 is just 1 out of 26. In general, if you have n numbers, the chance of selecting one of those at random is 1 out of n. So we have good numbers possible to choose from. There's 5 good numbers to choose from. Remember, you choose 6 numbers in the Powerball lottery, but there's 1 Powerball number and 5 other numbers you choose from. So G is good numbers chosen. If you win with 4 out of 5 numbers, you get, plus the Powerball lottery, you get 4 out of 5 numbers plus the Powerball number. So G is the good numbers chosen at 4. To win, you choose 4 out of 5, so it's 4. Bad numbers possible to choose from is 64. If there are 5 winning numbers to choose from and 69 numbers overall, it must be 69 minus 5 equals 64 bad numbers to choose from. Okay, so bad numbers chosen. Well, if you choose 4 out of 5 winning numbers, you choose 1 bad or losing number. So bad numbers chosen equals 1. Total numbers possible to choose from equals 69. There are 69 possible numbers to choose from in the lottery. And T equals total numbers chosen. You always choose 5 numbers. Remember, the additional 6 numbers, the Powerball number, is a separate thing that you choose from the list of 26 numbers. Plugging in the variables, probably win the lottery. You probably get 4 out of 5 numbers from 1 to 69 times the probability the Powerball number is chosen. So we have the hypergeometric equation. Big G choose little g times big B choose little b over total T, capital T choose little t. Probably get 4 out of 5 numbers from 1 to 69. And probably win the lottery is using the hypergeometric formula times the probability the Powerball number is chosen. Here is the equation. 5 choose 4 times 64 choose 1 over 69 choose 5. I'll let you multiply that out. Basically, it's 5 factorial over 4 factorial times 5 minus 4 factorial, which is 1 factorial, times 64 factorial over 1 factorial times 63 factorial over 69 factorial times over divided by 5 factorial times 64 factorial, which is 69 minus 5 factorial, times 126. The number we get is 320 over 292,201,338. Those are the total number of possible ways of winning the lottery. And 320 out of those ways are possible with 4 out of 5 numbers. So it's 1 out of 913,130, about a 1 in 913,130 chance of winning the lottery with 4 out of 5 numbers plus the Powerball number. In order to have an expectation average of 1 or more wins, multiply that fraction by 913,130, which means you would have to play about 913,130 times to expect to win once. At $2 a ticket, this would cost you $1,826,000. Okay, average wins 913,000 times probably you win 1 out of 913,000 would be 1 win on average. Keep in mind that you only paid $50,000 if you win, but you will be spending $1,826,260 to expect to win at least 1 time on average, with 4 out of 5 numbers plus the Powerball number. And it keeps going with 3 out of 5 numbers, and 2 out of 5, and 1 out of 5, 0 out of 5, and 3, 4, and 5 without the Powerball number. So if you're interested in this book, remember, this book is called The Secret Statistical Formula for Winning the Powerball Lottery by Carlo. Where's my name here? Sorry. Carlo. Okay, and that's on Amazon. Here's the back of the book. This is the paperback, but you can also buy an ebook. It's $10 for the paperback, and I think it's currently $2.99 for the ebook, and it's also on Kindle Unlimited. So I hope you enjoyed this introduction to my book, The Secret Statistical Formula for Winning the Powerball Lottery, and I wish you luck.